Sometimes the highlight of a place is the people you meet there. And that's exactly what happened to us here. The Gratitude Cafe is this offbeat place all about conscious living, and we met some people here who truly highlight that.
I don't have Instagram. Yay! Instagram free!
This place is more than just a cafe. It's actually a community of artists, all with their own crafts and stories, with the one single goal, that is to better the world that we live in.
I drew it, and then I scanned it and went to a print shop.
Right, that's going on YouTube. This place regularly holds such pop-ups and events, which they also call as the New Earth Gathering events, and there's a farmers market almost every Sunday at this place. There is a Goodwill boutique for second-hand clothing and apparel. Most of the brands here are local, homegrown Goan brands. The Gratitude Cafe promotes the vegan way of life along with many age-old practices that only a few remember. So what are we having?
So this is ginger. It's a jam cum cold drink mix.
Okay.
It's an Ayurvedic preparation.
Okay.
And I'm an Ayurvedic doctor.
Wow.
Burn. Just crush. It's got 4 spices.
And then there's things everyone should remember.
Make people aware not to buy single-use plastic bottle places to create water refill points.
Nothing better than a chilled glass of lemon iced tea all the way from the mountains of Northeast.
Small-time farmers to promote fair trade, to promote sustainability. We are doing only traditional teas, trying to create awareness about the right ways of steeping, the medicinal benefits, and the love of tea.
Practically run out of all of the stuff. Yes,
Yeah.
we can take you on a little bit of a tasting journey.
Please.
First, we'll start with the aromatics.
Where are these from? What part of India?
So far, we're sourcing from Kashmir, from Himachal, from Ladakh, and down here from Kerala, Wayanad, the Western Ghats,
Nice.
Goa, parts,
All parts of India.
all parts.
That's nice.
Now we will take you to Christmas. It's caramel,
Right.
which has been flavored with Jack Daniels and Angostura bitters. So it's a limited edition, only Christmas.
Oh.
This is a classic basil pesto, but it's been bumped up. We'll get him back.
These are lovely. Yeah. You produce all this. Wow.
So she's the master chef. Chef
Well done.
Chef Pooja. और कोई नहीं दूजा.
Well done too. So I guess some places stay with you for the people you meet, and the Gratitude Cafe in Anjuna was exactly that to us. If you're ever in Goa, check out the Gratitude Cafe. Follow them on Instagram to know their latest pop-ups and events, and who knows, maybe get a little conscious of your own living too.